Hello，你今次試下新嘅 set up 啊，大家
如果我哋嘅 set 有啲問題咧，可以俾意見嘅。
聲咧，我哋可以大聲少少，但係我要睇下嗰個收得 O 唔 OK， 同埋慢慢俾啲時間俾啲人上嚟，我睇下啲 comments。我哋慣咗咧，成日望落，其實望上邊，我哋好似好耐冇見。
係啊，
又靚咗，
靚咗。你都係啊。不過知道你又成日飛嚟飛去。
係
咯。
但係我哋冇夾咧都着緊同一個顏色。
心有靈犀啊嘛。唉，咁我哋係咪？
我哋 cheers， 我哋同你哋 cheers， 上面啊 cheers。
大家都身體健康啊！
係啊，身體健康，開心心
Friday
and Happy Mother's Day weekend 啊
！Cheers！
嗱，我哋先睇有幾多個人，睇唔睇到㗎？我呢個睇唔到喎。唔係啊，我呢個 screen 都睇唔到有幾多個。
你繼續講下嘢先啦，等啲人入嚟。
係，我知。我真係唔好意思啦，我而家真係要開翻呢度先，因為咧我睇唔到我啦。
我係可以搞你嘅。
哎 ，Candy 好，多謝。
Hi Candy。Hi Jackie。
咁我而家可以睇得到你哋講嘢啦。OK。OK， 而家可以睇到啦。哇，好香啊！ OK， 而家有慢慢啲人咧開始陸續上嚟啦，我睇得到啦而家。咁咧大家首先咧，我哋而家飲緊呢一個 rosé 香檳啦。OK，so it's rosé. So we're gonna go back and forth a little bit in Chinese and a little bit in English because we haven't done a live in a long time here on Wine Dine and All Things YouTube. 邊個嚟㗎？
嗨，得包啊 ！Hello。Cheers。
首先我想介紹 So I have to introduce a really good friend of mine. Her name is Alice Koch, and she's been in the industry. You guys are not going to believe it. 你覺得佢咧就做咗我哋呢行 When I say 呢行咧，我就講 F&B. But in our food and beverage industry for how many years? 你望嗰邊。
噔噔噔。
18年㗎咋 18 years. Oh my God, 50 years. I think that this episode should not be on like food. It should be on like what does she eat. Can you believe that Alice has been in the F&B industry for over 50 years? 我都50年啦，我都唔信你喺
真係50年。
So we'll get to how and why that's going to be her master class. 我覺得呢樣嘢真係好勁，因為我哋都識咗10幾年係有啊，差唔多10年。Actually 咧，嗱，除咗即係我已經係好愕然，我以為30幾年，佢就係50幾年。我識佢10幾嘅咋 ，OK？ 因為我識佢已經好 fit 嘅，佢好忙嘅。
咁佢而家唔 fit 咩？
唔係啊，即係佢一路 keep 得仲好過我啊！即係大家成日笑我咧，你知咧，我係好有嗰啲佢食，我有呢一脈咧食神啊嘛，食跟住你啊嘛，係咧，係咯，我冇喎，但係我有酒粒喎，啲酒跟住我喎，係，一人一樣，但係即係佢好 discipline 呢樣嘢，真係，佢做呢行除咗做得即係。
其實我真係好 enjoy 嘅，我
enjoy 你 discipline 喎，仲要跑步喎。
我冇轉過行，
唔係佢加行嘅啫。
我就做呢一個行業嘅。
So I just like I'm so amused because for the amount of time that I've known her, she's very disciplined, but she loves to eat. She loves to enjoy her wine. So I met Alice actually through wine. And how she's one of actually the first people who I mentored, or she mentored me actually. And I was like, I started to learn a little bit about wine quite late on, like in the industry, so to say, because I was in F&B, but I wasn't in wine. And then I started going to classes, and I looked at sommelier, and I also looked at WSET. So how we actually started to become friends was, okay, should I study which type of certification, which sort of discipline? And I was one of the first people to ask, what is the difference between a sommelier and then an educator, a wine set, as they call it, right? So when I saw her, I was like, she's in classes during you know after the lunch service. So like 3點到5點啦，全部上堂嘅。OK， 有啲 wine education 啦，啲 brand 會擺啲介紹新嘅酒俾佢哋啦。And then we can try, no matter if it's wine, whiskey, it's anything that's new in the industry. Sustainability 其實佢哋8年前已經開始 introduce 俾人嘅。OK， then she was one of the first ones that were on the floor, and actually one of my first trips， 我第一個 trip 係同我 Alice 一齊出去韓聽做 judge 喺上海啊。
係啊，喺上海做 judge。
係啊，所以
係同床嘅。
係
唔好遐想，大家唔好遐想，我哋好正經嘅。
Yeah, so that's why I've always admired her. And, you know, for being in the entertainment industry, we get quite tired, right? No matter if it's because our hours are very long, we don't get to sleep, we don't eat on time. But at the same time, she's on the floor all day, right? She has a family. And I've always wondered how, in my industry, I'm not married, I don't have kids. But she's not only a mother, she's a grandmother, she's a wife, like a sister, and a best friend. And like, how do you balance everything? 即係你點樣喺我哋呢行？你知道，尤其是香港啊，除咗食早餐、食 lunch、食飯、食宵夜，佢哋嚟2點幾都未收工喎。Like they work very long hours. 我第一時間想問 ，How do you balance this in our F&B industry? F&B 喺香港係真係好特別嘅。It's not a 9 to 5, and it's not just a lunch and dinner. It's like morning, afternoon, and night and 宵夜。咁我就想問咧，你點樣 balance 呢樣嘢？因為好多 question 要問佢嘅。
好，咁啊頭先咧就阿 Bernice 講咗好多關於我嘅嘢啦，咁啊都係英文台，咁我用翻中文台咧同大家講下啦。咁我就好細個咧，因為呢個機緣巧合咧，我做咗呢個餐飲業啦。咁就係點解我做餐業咧？就係因為咧我係好中意同人哋去交流去溝通嘅，咁我覺得係好開心嘅。我成日都覺得同人哋傾偈咧，我係好似成日都帶到好多嘅補品咧，係落自己個袋嗰度嘅。咁所以咧，我係好中意啦。咁我個人咧都比較好學嘅。咁我知道喺我嘅餐飲業嘅生涯裏邊咧，我唔能夠係就咁樣係做前線嘅嘢啦。咁我自己咧就不斷去學習啦。我學management 啦，leadership program 啊，甚至係 Y 啊呢啲咁嘅嘢啦。即係後來我大約係97年咧，我就開始係讀 Y， 對 Y 嘅認識。我師傅係陳任，一個 DJ 啦，佢已經係 pass away 啦。陳任先生咧，佢係教我呢個 Y 啦，同埋教我呢個公關嘅。咁我開始咧就公關咧係踏入嗰個生涯裏邊咧開始成熟，一路開始咧就對人客嗰個交流咧係比較係深刻啦，同埋係發自內心，甚至我對啲傳媒嘅朋友啦，或者好似Bernice呢啲咁啦，我都可以能夠咧係佢哋嘅喜好啊，我都迎刃而解啦。同埋因為我覺得我做我餐飲業咧，我都食4方飯嘅，所以咧我要點樣學到咧係面面俱圓。咁喺呢個行業裏邊咧係可以更上一層樓嘅。好慶幸啦，咁我就識咗班嘅Y buddy 啦咁樣，咁亦都喺大家嘅交流之中咧就學到好多嘅 Y 嘅嘢啦。之外咧係令自己嘅事業咧係更創高峰啦。咁我嘅家庭咧其實都好吃力嘅，小朋友細個，我朝頭早起身，我要同佢對功課啦，唔係夜晚放工對功課，朝頭早同佢温習。呢個過程經歷咗大約仔仔讀到中學之後咧就少咗啦，咁啊補習啦，跟住結咗婚之後咧，咁一路去都係自己去不斷去學習，咁我小朋友有咗家庭之後咧，咁我哋咧就1個月，因為我仔仔咧係做呢個 production 嘅，去做導演啦，咁佢都好忙，好難得我哋一家人一齊食飯，我哋無論如何咧1個月都有1-2次食飯啦，聚會啊，就算冇咧我哋都 FaceTime 嘅。咁啊見啲孫仔啦，咁同埋咧我哋啲會交流下自己工作上嘅心得，因為每一個行業咧都有佢哋嘅特點喺度嘅，咁變咗咧好多時都會交流到咧就係一啲嘅經驗啦。咁其實我哋嘅一家人咧，我哋都好 close 嘅，無論有啲咩咧，我哋係會開家庭會議啊，就算我而家退休，我都係開家庭會議啦，5對1，咁我想做嘅，咁佢哋5個都叫我係唔好做啦。不過我退休之中咧，我都會做嘅。 就係因為我覺得我學做一生嘅武功，我好希望能夠係可以薪火相傳。因為個天咧係俾我個工作咧，就係一個使命感。我覺得我做我嘅餐飲係好有使命感嘅。我好希望能夠我學到嘅餐飲咧，無論係 food and wine 都好啦，我都可以能夠可以薪火相傳，係點樣去傳遞到出去嘅。呢、個係我係對我嘅教過我所有嘅師傅嘅感恩嘅方法嚟嘅。
Actually, what Alice said it is very similar to how I've been brought up because I think the outlook is very similar. Although I also started in F&B because my father started in the restaurant business as well. I mean, he kind of pivoted, but I was born into the restaurant business. At the same time, I found something that I really enjoyed. I never knew I liked. And at the same time, Alice did too, and she wants to keep growing with it. And I think that's really important. And the fact that she loves the communication that the restaurant business brought her. And then she grew with the wine, which is a very perfect pairing with what she's met a lot of interesting people, including people like me. And like the Chinese, the English, she meets a lot of my French friends that the wine has brought her to collaborate with even. And I think that that's really interesting to keep it very open-minded and also 咁樣開心同埋開朗嘅心情, right? You see how happy she is. I mean, we all have ups and downs. And I think today what I really wanted to bring forth with people is I see her a lot. We've had a bit of a break because I went to school. And then she's also has spent a lot more time with her family also. 即係佢近排咧就 travel 多咗少少啦。咁但係啱得咁巧啦 I can 約到佢，就 Mother's Day 佢翻出嚟陪屋企人。And 我哋啱啱一齊出咗一個酒會嘅 event。咁咧，我哋就可以 cheers 對下呢個 scene。我覺得今日好好嘅配合啦，就除咗一個你睇到呢一個 background 係咪好特別先
Yes.
Like look at this. These are bowling pins, guys. So you can guess we're in a bowling alley. But it's a pretty special bowling alley because we are in a Chinese restaurant inside of a bowling alley. And for me, it's also one of a good friend of ours that has a favorite goose place of ours, which also loves wine. So we'll introduce that in 2 seconds. Chinese cuisine, goose butt, and today is in the month of May. So we're celebrating also the French May
Yes.
in Hong Kong. So 我哋咧法國餐，我哋食咩啊？呢個法國咧亦都好中意食咩啊？goose 係嘛？所有我哋第一個咧就要介紹呢度好出名嘅嗱，你不如咧就寫你哋會，我知你哋會試我啊，全部拼音
係
我寫埋㗎啦嚇，係蝦子雜體個音係咪？
阿妹妹係唔知咩叫，我相信你唔知咩叫雜體。
No， 但係我啲字係有嗰個 U 型喺上面就睇咗上去。
OK， 佢睇個字係 U 型，所以叫做雜體嗱。呢個咧，
好，佢 show 我 show 個拼音，啱㗎啦。
其實咧，雜體咧係用好多個腐皮，咁裏邊咧就係滲咗一啲蝦子啦，佢捲住蒸咗之後咧，當然佢有個味喺度啦，好似個素鵝嗰啲咁樣做法嘅。咁呢個以前咧，我係細個咧，我媽咪咧有時帶我哋。食一啲零食啦，其實嗰陣時我個年代係冇乜零食嘅，食呢個已經好開心啦。所以而家好多啲80後啊、70後啊、80後啊、90後啊、20後啊嗰啲都唔識咩叫雜體嘅。咁但係其實咧呢個腐皮咧真係好好食嘅呢個。我知咩叫蝦子咯，即係蝦子麵嗰啲蝦子。Yes， 蝦子麵嗰啲蝦子係係咪？雜體嗰啲雜體。Yes， 咁大家都知道啦。咁咧呢個咧配香檳。或者係 rosé excellent amazing， 因為佢有少少海鮮嘅香味嘛。好靚啊！睇幾多層啊！一層啊！有少少肚餓添。唔好意思啊，妹，我哋喺你面前食。係 perfect match。咁咧，我最中意都係咩咧？象根 ，jellyfish。正式名係叫海蜇。大家唔好介意嚇。佢啲英文佢個 pronunciation very good， 中文係會爭少少。不過呢個係好好嘅，佢好叻。我哋中文咧係有 character。當初咧，我識廖小姐咧，佢咧晚晚都好似 好似鬼食嚟咁啊！呢個點讀？呢個點樣啊？你讀俾我聽，呢個點樣？成日問好多嘢問㗎，佢又唔識中文㗎佢。
但係嗰啲跟去餐廳嘅時候，嗰啲名咧好特別㗎。每一個菜有嗰啲菜咧，
即係牛柏葉咧個 Albert 葉嘅，即係嗰啲咁咯。
係啦，同埋你有嗰啲菜咧，有雪花，好似濕有啲水嗰啲菜叫咩啊？記唔記得啊？嗰啲菜咧，好似有啲水
冰菜。
嗰啲啊，you know？
冰菜
好靚啊
！Chinese English 咪
，frozen
ice
vegetable 咯
ice 即係 Bibo Mountain Bibo Sea 嗰啲咁咯。
係啊，但係好靚啊！我嚟香港之前從來冇食過嗰啲啊。但係呢個先
可以當 salad 咁樣食嘅。
我知啊，你兩個，我第一次食係喺呢個度嘛。
係啊，前我舊公司嗰度食。
係啊，我真係第一次食啊。
好味啊！
所以好多嘢咧未食過嘅之前，即係 Chinese 嘅菜啊、菜式啊。所以我咧今日又亦都好特別咧，就係譬如叉燒 pork，right？咁咧呢度咧就特別好味嘅，我哋食下一個啊。因為咧我亦都有好多嘢配合，我有好多嘢食喺呢度食緊等我哋啊。嗱，呢一個咧就特別叫做，我要睇翻我個
金一刀。
你哋係咪全部香港人成日食呢啲㗎
？Of course。
唉，你哋好有口福啊！
嗱，我哋食叉燒咧，我哋叉燒而家咧個境界咧係食到咧係半肥瘦嘅。咁半肥瘦都唔係叫做最出色喎，係天下第一刀。你要買豬嘅，係得好少嘅啫，仲要訂嘅。咁佢咧就叫金一刀啦，呢度嘅最出名嘅呢個金堂燒鵝，金一刀。
但係呢個咧，金一刀叉燒咧 is so good。Why？ 佢好特別 ，I have 叉燒 before。但係佢上面咧，如果你可以 close up 落我個上邊咧，佢係咧脆啊！你
其叉燒有少少燶燶地、脆脆地、燶燶地。
但係 listen，你聽唔聽到？It's like and it's 好薄 ，and that is the thing of 呢個叉燒 ，it's like 好似食緊 ，it's like candy。呢個咧佢有好多嘢嘅，即係除咗香乜又得。白咗又得，紅咗又得，因為咧嗰個半肥瘦咧，佢肥得嚟咧又唔流喎，唔流啊，佢真係 actually very well rounded。So 我介紹，
其實咧食呢個叉燒咧，一般嚟講咧都係薄切嘅。
嗱
呢一個咧就厚切。
Yeah，this is very
厚切點解有個 texture 個口感咬落係唔同啲嘅。
我哋咧試下呢一個法國嘅 Chardonnay。Okay。Because why？ 你以為？同埋佢係 organic 嘅，大家。OK。我哋首先 sustainability 啦。第二個咧，因為你有少少肥啦，你驚漏啊嘛。We want to clear the palate a little bit, so we're gonna try it with the Chardonnay。OK。我都未試過。
有得 honey。係
啦。咁點解 honey 會配合呢一個咧？就係因為咧就好似蜜糖，嗰個上面啊，你又唔會覺得流，或你唔覺得流。太甜嘅 Chardonnay 咧，太厚咧，太 full body 咧，你就會更加好似 heavy。係啦，好肥粒落嗰啲感覺嗰啲。但係你而家有少少嗰個 acidity OK 喎。佢 round 得嚟咧，係啦，你 clear 個 palate。因為呢一個肥得嚟咧，佢又唔係好黐住個脷，喂 just enough。And 我好中意咧，佢個皮呢個位咧，佢脆佢又唔係厚喎。This is so bad， 即係我
皮唔厚，但佢肉係厚啊！你唔識形容㗎，大家各位觀眾，厚切嘅叉燒先好食。
唔係佢肉厚啊，即係肉地厚啊，肉地啊，但係我出邊好脆啊。脆啊，脆卜脆啲㗎，你有咩？卜脆。But it's so good，like literally， 我去唔到另一間試過呢個咯。哇 ！Did you hear me？ So bad 可以食好多嚿嘅呢個。OK。係啊，嗱，我又想問啦 ，Chinese 其實 Chinese 同西式即係西式嘅菜，即係西點樣？西餐唔係 I guess so because it's like pork, it's also pork， 但叉燒係發得甜，因為我哋燒啊嘛。係。法式嘅燒都係燒，但係佢個 dressing 唔一樣嘅。咁你平時咧，譬如如果配個 Chardonnay 咧，你會配咩嘢？ 即係平時嚇。
嗱，其實咧就叉燒咧，我哋通常咧都係當頭盤咁食啦。咁我都係香檳或者係呢個沙丹呢啲白酒啦，呢啲啦。咁Sauvignon Blanc 都可以嘅。咁因為咧，其實我哋嘅香港式嘅叉燒咧，同法國佢亦都有燒肉嘅。其實咧，法國咧食嘢嘅文化同香港咧，中國人咧係差唔多，佢都係食內臟嘅，佢哋都係食豬嘅，都係 BBQ 嗰啲咁嘅。但係因為我哋嘅醃製嘅嗰個香料係唔同啲嘅，咁我哋咧叉燒咧有啲係密士啦，即係有啲蜜糖加呢個好似類似豆豉嗰啲咁樣嘅啦，咁亦都有啲特製嘅香料或者係用啲唔同嘅木啦，好似荔枝木啊或者係其他嘅木咧去燒咧就唔同啦，或者係喺地底個甕裏邊咧去燒嘅又唔同啦，所以係好多嘅特色嘅。咁通常我哋一般嚟講係用炭燒嘅，一般就喺如果喺呢啲嘅餐廳咧，多數我哋用炭嘅，係啦，用炭嚟燒嘅。
smoky 啲咯，
係啦，有啲炭味嘅，因為我哋去日本食串燒咧，我哋都係要揾有炭燒噶嘛，我哋唔會電子化嗰種，因為有炭燒有炭燶味，覺得先至係傳統係香味啲。
So actually in France as well, I know when I go to my friends like Thibaut, they actually is also in a real oven with real sticks, and we have to prepare it before we can actually cook the goose and the duck and the meat. So 嗰個炭，所以後尾 is actually 真係新鮮嘅炭或嚟啲木㗎，即係啲木樹枝咁樣去做。OK， 咁咧我哋快下一個菜，因為咧去到內臟啦。除咗炭之外咧，呢個就好特別。This is 鵝肝咧 ，but it's a 凍 version， 即係 it's a cold version， 佢係用滷水，英文係咩？
滷水咪
即係豉油啊咪滷水。
其實咧，佢個凍咧就唔係凍，係 room temperature 去食呢一個鵝肝。咁佢咧呢度咧，因為係燒味嘅出名啦，所以用咗滷水嘅。咁你睇佢顏色應該用白滷水去做呢一個嘅鵝肝嘅。
OK
啊，如果係正式嗰啲潮州嗰啲滷水就深色噶嘛。大家都食過潮式嘅鵝肝都唔同噶嘛，佢嘅顏色會深啲、黑啲嘅。咁呢度咧應該係用白滷水去做嘅。
So like in France, you can also have like the whole piece, and then it's pan fried, or you can have it done in the oven where it's like 有少少滑，即係凍咗之後你 tureen 啊嘛 ，right？
佢用係啦，佢用嗰個滷水去浸熟呢個嘅鵝肝，就唔係 pan fried。
No， 係所以就發覺係呢個咧就係我哋呢一度佢哋嘅做法啦。你可以嘗試下試 because actually 個味咧唔係好 strong， 即係佢唔會 overpower， 亦都唔係燒嗰種味。滷水咧，同埋你滷水嘅味，因為好少喺出邊食滷水，我發現好大呢塊。
細細啖，再配一個白酒試先。
So today I want to show a little bit about the different foods for Chinese Cantonese cuisine. And actually, we're very similar in France. Like 法國菜亦都有好統一類型嘅嘢嘅，即係同一個 animal for instance， 但係煮法唔一樣。咁我點解？我覺得 Alice 咧就會識得 OK， 可能有啲外國人嚟餐廳去中菜，簡單啲點樣揀啊？點樣佢哋會食到啲咩？佢哋唔會食到啲咩？因為有啲味咧，佢哋真係未必咁中意。譬如我知道咧，譬如我唔係嗰個叫做咩長形海參。好多未必中意嗰個 texture，
即係腍腍滑滑，即係潺潺咁樣咧。有好多外國人都唔係好啱食嘅呢樣嘢。
但係咧，佢哋譬如呢個啦，佢哋會好中意食嘅。
Duck， 唔係 goose，sorry，the
goose。咧，佢哋中意呢個味喎，同埋中意呢啲豆味。呢個豆其實我都唔識嘅中文。
呢個叫做係蜜豆，咁係舊式嘅餐廳咧先會有呢一個嘅。咁而家現今好多都冇㗎啦，呢個係真係佢傳統呢間金堂，佢係由阿爺阿老豆一路做落嚟咧，都係呢一個嘅蜜豆嘅，呢個叫蜜豆，我哋細個好中意食嘅呢個。
So this they don't make in a lot of places anymore, and here at Camp Center Roast Goose, it is something that comes to the grandpa. And why 係咪好難做㗎？
其實就唔係好難做呢個豆，佢唔係好難做，但係咧而家係好少人做啊，因為點講咧係好麻煩咁樣啊，同埋咧呢個唔值錢啊， 咁所以而家咧，因為個配搭咧個顏色嘅問題咧，而家大家去深色對深色嘛。而家好多出邊餐廳咧都係擺啲花啊，即係日本咧食用花啊嗰啲咁樣嘅嘢，或者啲青瓜片啊嗰啲咁樣，所以係唔同咗嘅。咁呢個係因為個傳統，保持個傳統喺度，嗰個 tradition 啊。
Yeah, it's a lot of work, and you know, it's a lot of work for a very little cost. But these are the little details that Jackie has really kept for traditional. So let's have a try with this, and we can try the red wine. So 你試下，
好，
你試大嗰個，我試細嗰個得。
所謂。
Okay. Then this one, if you could smell this, it's amazing.
嗯哼，
Yeah, I'm being rushed already. We have so much food here. Look at all the idea.
嗯
Okay. 呢個係 so this is a red. Cheers. Cheers. This is a Bordeaux. Obviously, I brought this one because we're nearing in on our last. It's my Bordeaux. It's my It's a very full-bodied.
有
My
少少 mint 聞起上嚟啲茶葉味。
呢個係我嘅 baby 嚟㗎。
Yeah.
咁我今日 share，因為我覺得 it's also French
Yeah.
and it's my Bellevisa baby.
梗係啦，French 咩梗係要飲法國酒啦。
For me, a Bordeaux red is perfect for something like this. The layer, the texture, you've got the meat, the fat, and crispiness of the skin. It's an amazing pairing, and I could eat this forever. Like, I'm a low carbs kind of girl right now. 而家食飯咧，嗱咁
可唔可以暫亂你少少咧？
咩？
我食咗一個鵝，跟住再飲呢個酒咧，能夠帶出個酒個 real taste 啊！大家可以嚟試下嗱。如果要啲酒咧，就揾 Bernice；要食個鵝就揾阿 Jackie。真係指甲留香啊 ！After taste 啊！
有 comment 唔想睇啊？
哦，
咁啊，
即刻想食，你而家過嚟啊！我請你食。Derek， 我請你食。Derek， 我請你食。
Juby，
May，
Juby say hi 啊
Hello，Candy，
話咩啊
Hi， 下次集體真係好食，梗係好食啦。
Candy 喺邊啊？
必食啊，必食啊。
？Candy 而家喺邊啊？
Candy 你喺邊
日
啊？
本啊佢，即係 it's nice
我點講咧？我講翻啲酒先，佢帶起嗰個酒咧，嗰、個 real taste 出嚟嘅。佢嗰啲咁嘅茶葉啊、陳皮啊、mint 啊、mineral 啊，嗰啲全部都出晒嚟嘅，用到陳皮。
Yeah，
我幾驚你話，喂，實
I love
陳皮
Juby。And then 咧
呢個
very 傳統啦呢個。
Yeah
嗱點解我要帶呢個出嚟啦？豉油皇炒麵。
事頭婆炒麵。
點解嗱？你以為好簡單 and everywhere can get it in Hong Kong? It's not. To do it well, it's very 傳統。You have a little bit of the sesame seeds on the top, and then you have 銀芽 right? 芽菜 right? And then the noodles. Okay? It's not that easy to make a good 豉油皇炒麵, or as she calls it, soya sauce 炒麵。
係啦。其實咧，呢、個時候炒麵咧，嗰、個炒麵咧唔可以用生麵，佢一定要用炒麵底嘅。咁人哋咧一定要多銀芽，咁啊令到佢爽脆。不過好多師傅咧唔捨得落銀芽咧，因為飆水啊嘛，咁令到嗰個炒麵唔夠乾身嘅。
But they don't yet. A lot of people don't know how to actually cook because this, as she said in turn, it comes out water when you cook it. So it's really in the seafood, in the master chef as you call it, they have to know how to handle each ingredient. It's not that easy because it's easy to burn. It's also easy to be watery, and then the noodle consistency becomes too soft or too hard.
冇錯，
係啊。
咁嘅時候梗係特製啦，唔係普通嘅生抽啊，咁佢又會秘製嘅，咁啊有生抽啦、老抽啦，佢調教咗先能夠做到呢一個嘅豉油皇炒麵出嚟嘅。咁嗱，其實越係好平嘅嘢，越係好普通嘅嘢，係能夠顯得到呢間餐廳嗰個水準出嚟啦。
And it has this one. What is it called?
韭黃
Yeah, the gao. You see that? That's not the anna. That's the gao.
韭黃同埋銀芽啦。
Okay, you try. I try a little bit. Okay.
Go.
Okay, try using. This is one of my favorite to know if the seafood has gong fu. Has gong fu.
Yes.
Okay. So let's try. And this one, why we ended with this one? Because actually all three, you can try your wines between her, the champagne the white and the red. And for most important for Mother's Day, it doesn't matter how expensive or how elegant. I think the best place is where you feel at home and with family. 即係舒服係最重要。我成日覺得，即係無論我畫翅膀上面最正，即係一個好簡單嘅菜，但係最緊要係開心同埋。我成日而家覺得咧，啲人都覺得要點樣靚法啊，點樣食，其實最緊要舒服。
其實好多嘢真係求舒服啦，同埋 warm 啊。係啊，我哋嘅舒服叫 warm 啦，同埋係覺得係包含住有愛喺度嘅。例如我同阿 Bernice 一樣啦，我哋好有愛㗎。係啊，就係咁樣啦。同埋因為我想試啲嘢，我就會帶。佢唔緊要係咪貴定平，有啲新嘢佢就會試。即係 I think with everything in life， 即係無論係工作上、朋友上傾嘢上，即係大家係有偈傾啦，同埋大家最緊要係 open 啦、honest 啦。Yes， 同埋最緊要開心咯，冇錯。但其實咧，我想介紹廖碧兒小姐啊嚇，我係當初咧講翻轉頭，當初咧我喺電視度見到佢啦咁，但係當時咧佢係做應該係我類似係皆大歡喜嘅啦。咁我覺得佢好 positive 嘅，點解？我覺得好健康嗰個形象啊，咁同埋咧個感覺係點啊？即係我未識佢㗎，我純粹一個觀眾嘅感覺，我好中意一啲 positive。我覺得好似好運動型嗰啲咁，因為我都係運動型，我就打拳啊，跳拉丁舞啊，佢太遠啊，呢啲咁嘅嘢我都有玩嘅。咁我覺得好 positive 嘅人生咧，我覺得咧，除咗愛之外咧，我覺得咧係重點都係要 positive 嘅。咁令到你行嗰條路咧係真係康莊大道嘅，就唔會偏歪咗嘅。無論人哋當然啦，有啲人中意，有啲人唔中意啦，呢個。We don't care 啦，係嘛？
And now we don't care, but there's always gonna be lovers and haters. You're always gonna have ups and downs. 即係無論有時一定會有人生一定會係咁嘅。但係當你一個人嘅正念嘅思想咧，我哋咧唔係，其實點講咧？唔開心嗰一剎那好快脆，瞓醒覺，我哋又會嗰個 positive 會跟翻你，嗰個太陽會跟住你嘅，因為你嘅人生咧，你嗰啲朋友咧都係好 positive， 你跟嗰啲人都係好 positive 嘅。如果你嗰啲好似好負面啊是是非非啊嗰啲咧，你好自動係遠離佢，因為你唔係嗰啲人啊嘛。個 energy 啊，嗰啲 energy 好 negative。You don't really want that around you, and I think that's really effective. So the friends for a long time, Candy, the friends around you, the energy you want to be around it, I think is really important. So I've known her for so long. I think it's somebody that you can see 一個 example. You know, her energy is really good, and we always have ups and downs. Things in life are going to happen. Yeah, so nobody's perfect. Life is not perfect, but that's what makes life fun, right, in a way. So I just want everybody to be happy and understand that nothing's perfect, right? And she's an awesome person as an example. You know, 佢我好開心係能夠認識到 Alice 第一，同埋即係認識到阿 Bernice 嘅，因為佢個人好 positive， 同埋仲有一樣唔是非，唔講人哋嘢。雖然佢啲中文唔正，嗱佢成日都唔正，有時咧都激死我，唔中意講。有時咧佢一句得啦，其實佢係冇心嘅，因為點解咧？佢個人咧係好 strict 嘅，你想點樣啊？咁佢突然間會係咁樣，但我係唔會介意。點解咧？我知道佢為人咧，佢唔係咁，我係一個乖女，值得做朋友。所以我係好 proud of 佢識到我呢一個人生，我一個演藝界又好，傳媒朋友又好啦，係一個重要嘅喺我內心裏邊咧，我就 I'm coming 啊，邊個嚟緊啊？唔識啊，留隻鵝俾 Ray 好啊，留翻俾你啊。OK， 留尾喺門口啊。Yeah， 得吧 B 仔 ，Hello。Yeah， will you try to be positive as much as you can？ 哦，係咩 ？Vincent，How to maintain positive energy？ 哇，呢個咧就打拳嘅，我知道。Yes。And then 有啲咩唔開心 ，like when you're not happy, find a friend to talk to, or have a great laugh。Right？ 唔開心其實我都喊㗎，佢都見我喊㗎 ，She see me cry。呢兩個發泄嚟。Yeah，I need 代表係弱者。我唔好自己一個，我一唔開心咧，我就會約佢。我冇人同我食飯 ，like 因為我屋企人 ，so I don't have a lot of family in Hong Kong. My parents are never here, and then so sometimes I just call her and I need to eat, or I need to have a glass of wine. 佢話好啊嚟啊 ，and then 有時冇位嘅 ，and then 佢揾位俾我食咯。係啊，所以咧，搭台咯，佢揾幾個朋友同我搭台。其實好簡單，大家最緊要 positive 嘅，係啦，我好 proud of
認識到你。如果大家唔開心咧，記得用呢個酒去。
唔係。
好，我哋大家飲杯。
好。Oh, and don't forget, go to Wine Maven. That's where I'll put the links on for the wine. It's great to support local merchants, guys. Local small businesses. 大家都知道呢排經濟麻麻地啦，咁我都希望即係擺多啲 positive energy 出嚟。
冇錯。
所以即刻約佢真係一嚟好啊，我喺香港出嚟嚟啊！ Like so, none of us take money. 我哋今日係完全係免費，今日全部我哋冇收錢做嘢冇收，每一次做呢啲係咁樣嘅。Because 我都希望大家 ，and then 我哋知道咩？食飯係咁簡單嘅。
咁簡單啫，
真係啊！
人生快樂就係要簡單嘅啦，
係啊，
唔需要咁多枷鎖。
所以多謝你哋大家支持啦 Where to get this wine? Juby，
Hi Juby，
好耐冇見佢啦，
我都好耐冇見你啦。
你識 end 咗未啊？拜拜。
OK，see you next time，拜拜。
我哋食飯啦。
哦，拜拜。